boy Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never Crew, and in this video I'm teaching you guys the 3C step. So the reason it's called that is because we do a 3-step, a CC in it, and a spin, but I thought the 3C spin just kind of sounds like a spin move, so I decided not to put it in there. So basically we're combining 3 moves into 1 move. So let's go. Oh, by the way, we are at New Brighton Park here in Vancouver. So this is kind of a bit more of a ghetto spot in Van City, but it's still absolutely stunning. And I actually haven't really been here in many years, so I figured it'd be a good place to kind of show you guys and film. So yeah, let's go. Maybe C-3, like C-3PO. Maybe that sounds cooler. We'll see.
This is madness.
I'll decide later. Okay, so you're gonna start off with your basic CC. So if you don't have a CC, you're gonna wanna learn it. So basically all you're doing, one hand down like this, leg coming out, hand to your hat, leg bending upwards, basic CC, okay? Hit, center, switch, hit, center. So you wanna make sure that you come into your full squat and on the top of your toe, other leg bent backwards. By backwards I mean upwards like that, every single time, because you're gonna need that power in this move. Boom, ba-ba, boom, ba-ba. So make sure you have it at least that good. Going, hit, 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 hit. There. Second step you want to have is a reverse 3-step or a CC. It can really be either one because you're either doing a reverse CC or you're doing 3 steps as well. So it's kind of the same thing in my opinion. So basically all you're doing is one leg up like this. This leg's gonna go backwards, this leg's gonna go forwards into your push-up position, kind of sideways like this. Make sure both your knees are facing the back, and then all you're gonna do is hop front, 1, 2, then this side going backwards, hit. So the biggest thing here is make sure you twist your hips backwards towards this hand. Hips towards this hand. Front, switch, hit. Front, switch, hit. Now, rather than keeping your heels on the ground, kick them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hit. Then just try a little bit quicker, going, hit. Now for the hardest part, which is a footwork spin. So basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna go one leg over top, this position, figure 4, okay, or like a bridge. Then all you're gonna do is rotate under yourself. So if you're here, like this, all you're gonna do is whichever leg's bent, you're gonna go towards that direction. So if this leg's bent this way, you're gonna go this way. So leading from the flat of your foot, turning under yourself, and then back through, like that. Try again, going through and up. Try and stay on your toe if you can, it'll be a bit easier. Try the other side, going, toe, and through, and up. So just walk yourself like that for now. And walk, up, okay? Now all you're gonna do is from there, you're gonna go actually from your 3 steps. So you went from here, but we're gonna keep this back leg up now, like this. Then you're gonna hop this front leg in to here, and then keeping this leg off the ground. So you're going from here to here. Then this leg comes over, like we just did. Then you go under, through, and then we're facing front. Then switch sides, other way. This leg levitated now. You're gonna go up, through, around, center, okay? But again, hit that hop right away. So one more time, going from here, you're gonna hop this foot in, landing on it, boom. This leg going up and over, under your body, facing front, switch sides, going here, and up and over, facing front. Okay, now that you understand all 3 steps, all we're gonna do is combine them together to make the pattern. So going very slowly, what you're gonna do is start with your right sweep, going like this, sweep right into that 3-step. Going hit, but keeping that back leg raised. Then you're hopping up, left leg coming in, hop, this leg going up and over, hand down, facing front. Then the leg that's already up, you're just gonna CCO, boom. Then as soon as you hit your CC, squat in. Other leg sweeping, going the other way now. Sweep, this leg staying off the ground, then to the front. This leg going up and over, to the front, leg this up, does the CC. Pop and squat, which is your direction change. So the reason the CC's in there is because that leg's already up and it provides a really nice option for you to direction change to the other side. Because if you do both sides, you can go forever, hence why it's called a pattern. So try that one more time. Going right leg sweeping, hit, then coming up, boom, going up and over, front, CC, squat, other leg sweeping, hit, popping in, up, going up and over, front, CC, and squat. Now, the hard part is rather than placing both hands down for the spin part, what you're gonna do is you're gonna hop through like a swipe. So basically, you wanna learn how to do this one. Going here, switch, switch, okay? You don't have to have super high hips, just going up and over like that. Because then when you're here, what you're gonna be doing, hit, you're actually gonna windmill that arm over. Windmill through. Because that windmill is actually what's gonna give you the momentum to get around quicker so you're not walking slowly. So try again. Same thing, going here, up, then as soon as you get here, you're gonna switch through. Now that you have one side, just try the other side. So now you're going this way. This one's the hard one for me at least. You're always gonna have one side that's a little bit more difficult. So your legs coming up, going back, go like this raised, going through, and again, you're gonna swing that arm up and over, going windmill, through, hit, and back, okay? So let's try both sides together now, going slowly. Sweeping, keeping it off, up, and over, CC, squat. So if you notice, your sweeping leg does not touch the ground again until you CC, hence the pattern. That's kind of the concept of this one, okay? So again, going other way, sweeping, hit, up, windmill, through, CC, and squat. Now all you gotta do, rather than stopping, try to add a little bit more flow into it. On uneven ground, this is gonna be fun. Let's try it. Going hit, through, up, CC, and hit, and up, CC, and. All right, now that you're the foremost expert at that one, what you're gonna do now is take out a step. What? What would we do that for? Well, because it looks way cooler. So rather than stopping your bum and switching over, you're gonna do that spin in one motion. So this is gonna become the rebound. Hit and around, okay? So rather than going here, hop, up, and over, you're gonna put that down into two. So it's gonna be rebound, swing, okay? So to get that, all you have to do is hop this foot in the same time that you swing that arm. So again, if you know your swipes, just like how we do this, like that, and that leg kicks the same time you swing your arm, same idea. So what you're doing is as soon as this leg hits the back, you're rebounding off that. So you're holding that to swing all your power to hit that 180. Okay, so this needs to be really strong so that you can go around right away. And hopefully not do that, because that would hurt your knee if you weren't on grass like me. Ooh, a bottle cap. So try adding a rebound in now. Going, hit, ooh. See that? Way more power. So you're welcome to do either one or two hands on the reverse CC or three-step, whatever you want to call it. But I personally recommend using two, because then you can whip way harder because you have a stronger base from where you're whipping from. If you just want to do one though, you're more than welcome to. It's just when that hand's kind of posed here, you're already too far in front. But if this hand's down here, it can lead the other one in the battle for more power. Add both hands in now, going, hit, swing. So just like that. And then right here, this foot comes through, CC, and other side, going, hit, swing, CC, and. Now all you guys gotta do is add a little bit more power into it, add some speed into it, and it'll look a little bit something like this. You know when you film the whole video on like slanted, terrible ground that has tons of potholes and garbage on it, and the end you're like, fine, I'm gonna move because I can't hit it full out on that terrain, and then you move to a spot you could have filmed it the whole time, and it's so flat, and the grass is so nice, and it's perfect. Yeah, this guy did good, hey? Whoops. I dropped you. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys like this video, please comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next. This was your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never Crew. Thanks so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, please comment down below. Like the video, subscribe, and smash the bell button for more videos. Again, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Before you go, if you're not completely sick of my face already, don't forget to get my free course, Breaking Made Simple. To access the course, all you have to do is go to the link down below. To get the free download, all you have to do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is a hub for people to learn, grow, and just get better and become the best B-boys they possibly can, man.